So in today's lesson, we're going to be talking about polyhedra. And polyhedra right here. Let me get a color so that you can underline what I'm talking about. A polyhedra, poly means many, and hedron means faces. So a polyhedron is a many faced figure, and in math, a face is the side, the flat surface of a three-dimensional object. So, for example, this area right here is one of the faces of this cube. Now, I want you to imagine if you were holding a cube in your hand, how many faces would the cube have? Here in this picture, you can only see three. Let me see if I can get another color here. Let's get black. You see one right here, one on top. You see two right here, and you see three. Those are the front. But maybe you've already noticed that I put in some dotted lines over here and right here to kind of show the imaginary back of the cube, which you actually can't see at the moment, okay, because it's behind. But that would be down here, the bottom would be 4. Over here on the back side that you can't see would be 5. And over here on the back side that you can't see would be 6. So a cube has a total of 6 faces. All right. Now let's look at this figure right here. Okay, actually let's go to a little bit easier one right here. This is a pyramid, and you actually can't really see the back side of this to know, but the base, because it says it's a regular tetrahedron, that means that every single face is exactly the same. Okay, so I don't think they've drawn this very well, but I'll forgive them. A regular tetrahedron means that all of the faces, regular means all of the faces are the same. So that means all of the faces have to be triangles. So there's one here, there's one here. Those are the two that you can see. But there's also the bottom, which is 3, and then there's also the back side, which is 4. So there's 4 faces on that regular tetrahedron. Now if we come over here and we look at this one, you may have never seen a shape like this in real life, but sometimes they make dice in this shape actually. And the back side goes something like this. You've got like that, and then you've got this coming up right here, and then you've got this coming down to the bottom point. That's the back side looks like. So you've got, let's count the front. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4 in the front. Now let me do the back. In the back we've also got 4. We've got 1, 2, 3 in the back, and 4 in the back. So 4 and 4 is 8 faces for this octahedron. Pretty cool, huh? Okay, so we're not going to do the others, but that gives you an idea. So the flat surface, let me go back to my blue. The face is the flat surface of a polyhedron. Surface of a polyhedron. Okay, now we're going to learn 2 more terms. This here, right here, that could be called, we could call it the side, or we might call it the edge, where 2 faces meet, is called the edge. Here, let me just write it, edge. Right there, the edge. And then this part right here, the point where all the edges meet, is called a vertice. Vertice. Okay? So those are 3 terms that you need to know. You need to know face, edge, and vertice.